Hey guys, welcome back to another video again. In today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to claim a BNB fan token. Yes, as you can see, it's a BNB fan token. The name of this token is called NEWCASTLE fan token. It's the first football fan based NFT based token. But this token is a fan NFT based token dedicated to the Newcastle fans. I know most of us that love sport, we know Newcastle Football United. Now for today's tutorial, we'll be learning or we'll be seeing how we can claim this token into our Trust wallet. As you can see, you can take your time to read through their site and go through their documentation, their roadmap and everything, utilization in-game, interoperability. As you can see, this is also integrated with what Polkadot, and like I always say, every of their projects is doing extremely well. Now, this token is built with decentralized world, the metaverse, the NFT world. As you can see. But in today's tutorial, we'll be learning how we can claim this airdrop into our Trust wallet because we have limited time. Now, as you can see, in as much as you can claim the airdrop, you still have the option of buying in case you want to buy. So you have the option of buying in case you want to buy. As you can see here, you have the option of buying. And also for those of you that will be going for the referral program, here you can also paste your Web20 address and get a unique link once you've claimed the airdrop, and then you can get your referral link and start sharing. Then you get 40% BNB back to your Trust wallet and 70% of the Newcastle fan token. Without any further delay, we'll just go into claiming this airdrop. So what I will just do right now, just copy the link address, which I will leave in the description. And in case you're unable to get it, join our Telegram group, get your hand on it, and other tons of video that will be of help to you. Now I've copied it. I'll just paste it. As you can see, I'll just paste it into the DAPP. Just paste it there. Paste it. Then we'll search. Wait. Then, like I always say to my subscribers, always change your network from Ethereum to Smart Chain to avoid paying huge gas fee. Now we're in the site again, so let us go straight into claiming this airdrop. Here we have the presale. Now it says join presale and airdrop, and it's going to end in 9 days 16 hours. Listing price of one Newcastle fan token is 0.000001 USD. Now liquidity will add on Pancake Exchange at March 31st 2022. They invite people to get 40% BNB. Like I have said before, if you want to partake in their referral program, you can go through it like that. And also they invite 20 people to claim Newcastle token and stand a chance to win a Newcastle worth of $20,000 giveaway. That is, if you are able to get your referral link and share it among your friends on social media like TikTok, Facebook, whatever, and you're able to get like up to 20 people, you stand a chance of winning a $200,000 giveaway. Without any further ado, we'll go straight into claiming this airdrop by clicking the claim airdrop button here like this. Now we'll click it, and then it will ask to connect with our wallet. All we have to do is we just allow it down here. As you can see, we allow it by clicking the connect. It takes some time, it will load, and the smart contract screen will be displayed. Good. Now, from our screen, we see that we have to pay a little bit of fee of 0.0034 BNB, which is equal to $1.22, and a network fee of 21 cents, or making max total of 1.43. And that's okay. That's okay, considering we're getting this huge amount of token that we can easily exchange on by March on PancakeSwap. Now, all we have to do now is approve the transaction. Approve the transaction. Good. Now, it takes us back to the site. So right now, our transaction is successful. We've claimed it into our Trust Wallet, but we need the contract address to get it. So we'll click this BS scan. Like I said, I will leave the contract address and the link in the description. But in case you are unable to get it, we'll join our Telegram group so you can get access to these things. Now we'll go back into our Trust Wallet. Go back to our wallet. First of all, what you're going to do is we are going to click this two dotted button there, so we can go into the place where you can paste the address. We'll click it. Then we'll scroll down until we see the Add Custom button. We'll select it. Always remember to change network from Ethereum to Smart Chain. Now, all we have to do now is just to click the paste, and automatically the NEWCASTLE token and the symbols, which is NEWFT, the decimal 18, will automatically appear. All we have to do right now is to click the Done button, and boom, we have our token of 220,000 NEWCASTLE token. Now let's just go back to the site and see the other things we have there. Now, I am not a financial advisor. For those of us that want to partake in the pre-sale, you can take your time and go through the site. You go through the site. Now, when it comes to crypto, you have to make a very deep research concerning crypto, because crypto is not something you just go into. You have to take your time, make your decision. Then you still have 9 days and 15 hours to see if you want to claim just the airdrop or you want to partake in the pre-sale. That is it, guys.